Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be painting a small acrylic wave on this very small canvas, a 5x5 inch canvas. And I'm also going to be showing you around my studio, which you can see in the background. So stay tuned, grab a cuppa and let's get on with it. is the studio, as you may have seen in some of my previous uploads. It is a great room, and as you can see, the view is just magnificent, so I really am very lucky. It is a combination of things. So it was a lounge suite, but I've taken it over. I have a television that I can watch videos or listen to when I'm painting, which is kind of cool sometimes. And of course that view is very inspirational. I have two great big desks, and they are very useful for painting from different directions and aspects depending on what I'm painting. I've got lots of room for large pieces I can lay down here, or of course I can use my easel, which I am currently using at the moment to finish off this painting, which is going in an exhibition very soon. I have some existing paintings still waiting to be worked on and finished. Some are finished and some aren't. You can see I did a bit of portraiture here. This is in oils of my daughter. I need to finish her off. Some experiments and test runs, things just to give them a try out. You can see there's one of the ones from my previous uploads. I have another one on the go, ready to start. This is going to be a big beach drone style painting. It's a commission. Some previous pieces here as well. And I even started an abstract a while ago, but which way does it go? That way. Yeah, so this is the room where it all happens, and I do love it quite a bit. You can see it's a very nice area to work in. Some plants and a bit of a view out that window too, which is nice. Sometimes I work on that balcony. I might do a video of that, and I like to keep little things to inspire me around of the ocean, and some previous bought artworks around from friends. And over here I have my little caddy of equipment and paints. I have way too many paints, but you know, that's what you do when you're an artist, I guess. I have some palettes and some more paints. These are papers to work that I use. Some journals that have lots of paintings in them still. Some oil paints even. I have pencils and watercolours and textures and paintbrushes. And then some high flows. So this is like acrylics that are really runny. I think you saw me using the pink in a previous video. They're really good. Some inks, my favourite little palette, some other acrylics, and yeah, and this little contraption here is meant to help me sort my paintings to be, my paints to be more organised, but I'm not a very organised person. So yeah, that's it guys, and of course the view, which is very nice and I'm very lucky to have, and I can see some boats out there today. And rock nest is over there somewhere. I don't know if you've ever heard of the quokkas, but that's where they live. So that's my studio. Hope you like it. I love it. As you can see why. Thanks very much for watching guys. If you enjoyed that, please give me a thumbs up, and maybe if you didn't enjoy it, give me a thumbs up anyway. And I guess I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.